we're going to go ahead and remove this first. If you were to come down along here, you can squeeze on these two little tabs and then draw this away. I usually like to do both just so I can have plenty of room. There we are. Pop it out of there. Awesome. Now the next thing we're going to do is disconnect our wiring. Go ahead and grab onto this tab, give it a little push, and then go ahead and draw this out. It's always a good idea to take a peek at your electrical connectors. Make sure you don't see any funny colors. If you do, it's probably corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. Let's go ahead and grab onto this. You're going to find that there's other little squeeze tabs that you're going to have to go ahead and pull off of there so we can get this out of the way. Now the next thing we need to do is remove our two mounting bolts up along the top here. So we did the two top bolts, and now you need to pay attention to the bottom area. This is going to be easily accessible just by reaching right down and underneath here. You don't necessarily need to get under the car. So now if you go ahead and wiggle this around, you can follow that wire down along the side of the fan shroud. We want to go ahead and disconnect that so it's not in the way anymore as well. Now with that off of there, let's go ahead and carefully lift this up. There it is, friends. If you wanted to put in your brand new fan, you can come right over here and disconnect this other fan. Just squeeze the little tab and then draw it away. That's going to give you plenty of room from the wiring here. So now it's going to be time to install our brand new fan. I just wanted you to pay attention to the bottom area. That's the area with the little hooky-doo. That needs to go onto our lower bolt down there. Let's carefully slide it right down here. Go ahead and line that up. There we are. Go ahead and get our top bolts in there now and snug them up. All right, so now let's just get down there and do that bottom one. Now let's go ahead and reconnect in that wiring along the side there. Just go ahead and latch it in so it's nice and secure. Now let's reconnect in the wiring. Nice little push, that feels good. Come across here. Connect that in. And then of course we got our little securing points. Make sure you got any of those that are on there nice and secured. Now let's reconnect this on. Slides in there. Put this right here. And right up along this area. Okay friends, now all you have to do is go ahead and start up your car and put on your air conditioning. Essentially what we want to happen is for the cooling fans to turn on, just so we can ensure that everything's plugged in the way that it needs to be.